In the world of insurance, it's easy to feel like you're navigating a maze of complex terms and conditions. But what if I told you there's more to it than meets the eye? Sometimes, insurance companies sneak in extra fees, those little charges that can easily go unnoticed if you're not paying close attention. These fees are often buried deep within the fine print of your policy, so deep that you might not even notice them at first glance. It's true, many people are completely unaware that these hidden costs exist. These hidden fees, while seemingly small on their own, can really add up over time, turning into a significant expense that you weren't expecting. Ultimately, these fees can cost you money that could be used for other important things. That's why we're here to expose one of those sneaky fees, a fee that many companies slip into your initial bill. We're talking about the policy setup fee. Welcome to InsureSavvy. We're your trusted source for navigating the complex world of insurance. Today, we're going to reveal why you might see a $25 setup fee or a similar charge when you get a new insurance policy and what that fee actually covers. More importantly, we'll tell you how to avoid these unnecessary costs so you can keep more money in your pocket. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss these valuable insights. Okay, so what exactly is a policy setup fee? It's a charge, usually around $25, that some insurance companies tack onto your bill when you first start a policy. You'll find it on your first bill or statement. They say it's for setting up your policy. Sounds official, right? But hold on, because we're about to break down why this fee might not be as necessary as they want you to think. Insurance companies will tell you this fee covers administrative costs. They'll say it pays for things like processing your application, creating your account, and putting your information into their system. Some even claim it helps cover the cost of printing and mailing your documents. But let's be real, most of these things are done electronically these days. The truth is, this fee is often just a way for insurance companies to make extra profit. Insurance can be a real lifesaver, protecting you from unexpected financial burdens. But sometimes, those policies come with unwelcome surprises, hidden fees. These sneaky charges can add up quickly, eating into your budget and leaving you feeling frustrated. So how to avoid getting tricked by these fees? It's all about being informed and proactive. First, read your insurance paperwork carefully. This is your first line of defense. Don't just skim it. Really dig in and understand what you're agreeing to. I know it's boring, and insurance policies can be dense and confusing, but it's important. Think of it as protecting yourself from future headaches. Look for any fees listed besides the premium. Premiums are what you expect to pay, but hidden fees can be lurking in the fine print. Pay special attention to that policy setup fee or any administrative fee. These are common culprits when it comes to hidden costs. Are they justified or just padding the insurance company's pockets? Next, don't be afraid to ask questions. Knowledge is power, and your insurance company should be transparent about their charges. Call the insurance company. Don't rely solely on online information. Speaking to a representative directly can clarify any ambiguities, and ask for an itemized list of all fees. This will break down exactly what you're paying for, beyond just the basic premium. They should be able to explain exactly what each fee is for. If they can't provide a clear and reasonable explanation, that's a red flag. And remember, you have the power to shop around. Don't settle for the first quote you receive. Get quotes from different insurance companies. This allows you to see what the average premium and fee structure looks like for your needs, and carefully compare their fees. Look for discrepancies, and ask about anything that seems out of line. By being vigilant and informed, you can avoid those hidden fees and ensure you're getting the best possible value for your insurance dollar. We've all been there, staring at an insurance bill and wondering where all those extra charges came from. It can feel like a maze of confusing terms and hidden fees designed to trick you. But here's some good news. Not all insurance companies operate that way. Not every insurer tries to pad their profits with sneaky, unexpected costs. Some companies are upfront about their pricing right from the start. They believe in transparency and don't try to sneak in extra charges after you've already committed. They understand that trust is earned and honesty is the best policy, especially when it comes to your hard-earned money. These companies prioritize clear communication and want you to fully understand what you're paying for. Look for those companies. Seek them out, compare their offerings, and read the fine print. Don't be afraid to ask questions and demand clarity. Your diligence will pay off in the long run. you work hard for your money, every single penny of it. So don't let insurance companies take advantage of you with hidden fees and deceptive practices. You deserve better than that. You deserve an insurance provider that values your business and treats you with respect. By being informed, by taking the time to educate yourself about your options and asking the right questions, you empower yourself to make the best possible decisions. Don't hesitate to challenge anything that seems unclear or unfair. You can save money and get the best deal on your insurance, ensuring you're protected without being ripped off. It's about finding the right balance between coverage and cost. What hidden fees have you encountered in the past? What sneaky charges have you been surprised by? Share your story in the comments below. Let's create a community where we can learn from each other's experiences and help each other avoid these pitfalls. And don't forget to follow us for more tips on saving money and getting the most out of your insurance. We're here to provide you with the knowledge and resources you need to make informed decisions. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know, the better equipped you are to navigate the complex world of insurance and protect your financial well-being.